Now then, where are we? Merry Christmas, everybody. Guess where we are? And guess who we're with? So it's Sunday, beer o'clock. Jet ski is going on in the background, so we might go and have a look. Just gonna have a grog and take a little wander down. So yeah, nice breeze today. Coming from the west. Nice pink hammock there, look. Colan over there in background. Clear day. 32 degrees. Ideal temperature. Certainly cooled down a lot these past few weeks. Well, I say a lot. 4 degrees, 5 degrees. Makes a lot of difference. But the only thing is that pool is a bit cold. Especially if there's no sun. So I only had an hour in it today, splashing about with Russians, as you do. Thai lady kicking off there. Of a there was a pigeon drinking a drink. Tell you, man, hey, I've got an itchy nose. Someone must be talking about me, or is it itchy ear when someone's talking about you? Big comments, please. So yeah, I feel a bit, how can I say, a bit lethargic today. It's only because I put some weight on in that Course-a-Met trip. I'm feeling a bit, you know, you don't notice so much out here because you don't wear belts as such. You know, like back in west, if you put a bit of timber on, you feel belt, you know, digging in, and you got to take it off a notch, or put another hole in between two. You know what I'm on about. I've had to do it many times. But yeah, so maybe I need to stop eating so much bread and rice, and maybe stop having so many of them. Let's say so many, you know, 3-4 a day. Tea time drinking. I'm a bit early today because I've come down to watch jet ski, but yeah, so I don't know. I don't smoke. I don't do any naughty stuff. Don't gamble. Got to do something that you enjoy, don't you? You know. It's a bit better than soda water. So I was sat just over there, just near that. Just to the left of that lady, orange t-shirt. So as you can see, we're still undergoing developments here. So I'll give you some idea where this is. That's the Copacabana. That way is the Siam Commercial Bank. Down there is all the old jet skis, so let's go and have a look. We are just near Yaimak Market. Cheers. The old jet ski World Cup. Can you hear me? Can you hear me for noise? Sorry about the view, lads. I'm fat anywhere, do you know what I mean, eh? Tangerine Dream in background. I do try to keep you guys happy. Can you hear me? Foot row, eh? Nice tattoos anyway, but So I've moved down a bit. We are past the bank, just outside the iMac market. Thievery down there, as you can see. We're all under developments, look. This nails. Wouldn't pay for them. Weren't me. Certainly wasn't me. It wasn't me. So anyway, look, hey. Russians don't like English. Huh? Don't know what's up with them. What's the matter with them? What's the matter with them? Strange breed, but anyway. Right, I hope this little clip has been alright for you. Do you know what I mean? Talking BS as per, but that's what it is. You like a bit of scenery, guys. We're off. Let's go for a little wander with me and my mate. Straight up, look. Oh. This is it, sorry. Shells in flip-flops. What idea? I'm about to say, bloody off. ATV's about. I used to get paid good $1 in my last proper job in geophysics for riding around on one of them. And yeah, you know, when you go on holiday and that, I used to go to Egypt and stuff, and yeah, oh, come ride this. I'm like, no, I'll ride it for free. I used to get paid money for riding them bad boys, so I'm not going to pay to ride one. I just wait 2 weeks till I went back to work. But yeah, look. Nice bike. Well, it's not really a bike, but a bit of Arnie there for you. Bit of Arnie. So there, look. Saudi Cup. We're all there, look. Having a break. Saudi Cup. You love me. I love ties. Do you know what I mean? Can you hear me? Right. Last time this was on, I tried to get in. Well, look, people have got in there, look. But yeah, you've got to pay. You've got a ticket. You've got a ticket to get in. So I might chance it actually. I'm just look. So we've got people coming out here. Right, let's have it. We're having it, look. We're having it. So we're in. We're in. We've gone in. We're in. For how long? I don't know. We'll have to see, look. Right, let me get grog put down. And we'll do a bit of filming. Go on, son, rev it. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but I thought I'd pop down. Can you hear me? I'll pop down and have a look. Someone out there with a yacht. Maybe Cheap Dave. He's been splashing cash lately, do you know what I mean? Taking Amanda out for meals here and there. I can't wait to see his next month's budget. It's going to be through a roof, man. Well, yeah, top couple. Right, I've got me grog. We're off. You'll have to excuse the audio. I noticed watching the Koh Samet videos back, the phone got hot and it was a bit intermittent. Thought he had a bit of a stutter, you know, because sound was going off a bit. No, I'm taking Michael now, but yeah, look at this bad boys. Some dollar there, look. And chunky tyres. It's alright, chunky tyres. She's asleep, look. So, I'm in here without a ticket. I'll take them aside. This will be it, you know. Thais will get it for free, but it's all Westerners. Westerners, tourists. Because some are east. You Aussies are east, aren't you? Yeah, I think so. So yeah, I can't see what I'm filming. Do you know what I mean? Ah, they're bright. So we've got 181 flamingo here. Look, canal. Comments, please. Is that German? I don't know. So sticker man's not. It must have been leathered when he's put that sticker on. Look. Huh? So we're here. Look. Old friends and family. Look. Cheap seats. We've got our Doris here. Look. I think I've very big picture. Our Doris with son. I can't see, man. It's excuse me anyway. All I can see is a white screen and her purple dress. Right. We're off again. So, right, seen a little shortcut. It's just a little shortcut out of all these barriers and that. It's at VIPs though, I tell you. We've got Gary Neville there on camera, look. Where's it, Carragher? From the gantry. We're from the gantry, look. Hang on, I need to have a swing. Cheers anyway, happy Sunday guys. Oh, this is where you could be, look. Wandering around talking BS, having a cheap beer in 32 degrees sun. It's a lot better than it was. I'm not sweating now like a blind lesbian in a fish and chip shop like I was a few months ago. That's maybe why I put some timber on. So I've got Rushki here, look, we've got Svetlana. Well, I say we have, I can't see. No, I can see him. I can see him with the old fluorescent top on. Nice back. Right, we're off again. I don't usually do these long videos because they get a bit, you know, people just want to see stuff. They don't want to listen to, like, droning on. You know, like some vloggers just, they do a 30-minute video and just talk all the time. People want to see stuff. Look, there's going to be a crash here, look. I cannot video now. Okay. So cannot video. We've got Luke Kung's thing. Cannot video. So yeah, right. I'm off. We're off. I cannot drink beer. I cannot drink beer. Oh, okay. He's saying I can't drink beer inside. Ah. I'll tell him where. I'll say it's a beer light. It is a beer light. But anyway, look, we've got Iron Man there. Look, in rocket suit. Well, yeah, it's rescue. So I knew it was coming. Do you know what I mean? I knew someone would stop me, whether it's for videoing or your ticket or being a farang or. So anyway, yeah, it's pulled me for drinking beer. No beer inside. But they make it up. They make it up. They make it up as they go along. A bit like vloggers do. Bit of BS. It's all good. All good. Right. Tour over. We're off back to Norm. Back to see Norm. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this long-winded video. Like I said, something a bit different. I did put in one of my videos that I was going to maybe do it if I could be asked. So yeah, we did it. We did it. So we are back to where I was though. Oh, Tangerine Dream, she's done one. Yeah. Right, that's Hasta La Vista. Over and out. We're getting stalked. Look. What's he doing? Oh, look, I thought he was siphoning juice out, but no, he's just sorting his bag out. We're back at Shade now, so I can see what I'm filming. So yeah, Doris there. Hey, look, she's got matching clothes. Look, right, and Lippy. Right. Colour coordination. That's what it's all about, man. Yeah, so I'm here, look, with my beer. Colour coordination. You don't know the script. What's that there? That is a code. Look at these lads. Smoking away with Jenny there. Jenny there full of juice. Leaking all over the road. And they're fucking You couldn't make it up, man. You couldn't make it up. So we're in Shade. All's good, look. All's good. What's that? Oh, it's legged out, look. They'll just sleep anyway. Look. Could you sleep like that? I'm not sure I could. It's hard work sleeping on a plane with a cushion. But, yeah. So, yeah, sorry lads. But that video was long enough, I think. So I got voted out for drinking, but it is what it is, man. I'm used to it now. I'm used to it. People getting rid of me or disappearing. Hey, you go in a bar to see me on Yorkshire Gobshite and empties it, man. It is what it is. People don't like it. I'm not. I try not. I'm not doing it deliberate. And there's never no malice in it. I just like to have a laugh. I like to have a laugh, man. That's what life's all about. No point being miserable. Goms, as they called them, grumpy old men, come out here for a better life, and all they do is whinge and moan about stuff. Don't get it. I hope that's his daughter. Again, watch my previous videos. Yeah, well, it does get a bit repetitive, but so does Peter Kane, Chubby Brown, do you know what I mean, eh? So I've just, I've had my second grog, and I'm off back now. Well, I'd say I'm off back. I'm off to the local office just to order my box of my beers. 12 beers, 620ml, that's large, for 595 baht. Because more times than not, they don't have them in because they supply out bars around Jomtien and this place. So I put an order in, I pay for it, and I'll just pick it up next day.